is going on YouTube? Welcome back to your clothing guide, The Hoxton Trend. What is going on YouTube? Welcome back to your clothing guide, The Hoxton Trend. Guys, in today's video, what I'm going to be doing is a mystery unboxing, okay? I literally got sent a whole bunch of boxes. Well, it was just 2 boxes, but they were super big boxes. They were not small, trust me. I got sent 2 boxes from our friends over in West London, Stuarts London. Now, if you remember, I've done a store tour video, I think it was a month or 2 months ago. I did a store tour video where I went down there, checked out a whole bunch of their cool items that they had on offer. We looked at CP Company, Bellstaff, a whole ton of brands. So make sure you check out that video if you haven't seen it already, because that was a pretty dope video. They said they wanted to send me some stuff to do a mystery unboxing. I haven't got a clue what's inside these boxes. Gonna open it up, go through the items, try them on, get my opinions and see exactly what they're saying, okay? So listen, without further ado, let's crack on with this video. 2 seconds. Right, so these are the 2 boxes that they sent in. You can see they are quite big boxes. I haven't got a clue what's inside these boxes, but they do seem to be quite heavy, both of them. Oh, trust me, they're proper heavy. So what I'm gonna do is get into these boxes. Got my trusted pair of scissors here, which I'm just gonna get in there and just kind of go crazy, rip the boxes open and see what's inside these mystery boxes, okay? So let's crack on. When you're opening boxes, sometimes we can tend to just rip like that, and I've done that before and I've ripped an item in the past. What I would say is when you're doing that, be very, very careful and just do it really, really gently and don't stick it all the way down, okay? There we go. What? Okay, this is a bit of a madness. Oh snap. First thing we got in is a pair of trainers, Nike trainers. So shall I open it now or scrap it? Let's open it now. Let's see what we got. Do you know what? I've actually got a pair of these in yellow and blue. So these are the waffle racers or something like that. Let me have a look. Tailwind, Nike Air Tailwind 79 with the waffle sole. Apparently when Nike first started making trainers, they literally just got some rubber gum. They put it inside a waffle making machine and they attached it to the bottom of a trainer, and that's how you get the waffle sole at the bottom. I believe that's a story. I read that on the Nike website somewhere, but these are actually pretty dope. Vintage trainers. It's kind of like a throwback. These are from 79, so super old school. Yeah, I mean, retros is coming back. So if you haven't got a pair of retro trainers in your collection, I do advise you getting some, because I've got 1 or 2 retro trainers in my collection. These are pretty dope. I'm really liking these. What else we got? What's this? Superior Sidic Set. I've heard of this brand, Sidic Set. Come back to that in a second. Oh my day, they sent so much stuff. CP Company. I'll be trying that on. Right, bloody hell, man. Or what is this? What is this? This is not Mackage, man. This is not a Mackage jacket. Oh my, do you know how long I've been waiting to do a review on this? What? Do you know what? I'm pumped. I've never actually had a Mackage jacket, so I'm gassed because now I can do that. Look, I'm so gassed. I'm just gonna wear it now, man. Scrap it. Oh my days. So Mackage is literally like, it's not really a new brand. They've been around for a while, but they're like, oh, look at the interior though. Jeez. Look at the interior of this. Right, try that on. Oh my gosh. Oh. So if you don't know about Mackage, they're a Canadian outerwear company, very, very similar to Canada Goose and Moose Knuckles. But with Mackage, what they try to do is they try to set themselves at the very, very kind of like high-end, luxury type of outerwear brand. I'm just gonna keep this on actually whilst I'm so chuffed, man. Look at this. Easy. Right, let's see. Okay, remember what I told you about how to open these boxes? They send, man. More Sidic Set. See right there. So in orange, you know I love colours. So that's cool. Oh, what is this? Who's this by? Who's this by? I don't know who this is by, but the quality already looks sick. Yep, going to be looking at that real soon. What's this? Oh snap! Do you know what? I'm so gassed. Got some more Pyrenex. It's been a while since I've had some Pyrenex in. That's really dope. Gassed about that. Oh, they sent me so much stuff. Oh, they sent me a Nike fleece top. What is it, like a cardigan, hoodie, Nike fleece sherpa hoodie top. I've got so many Nike fleece hooded sherpa tops. Nike fleece hooded sherpa tops. Yeah, I've got Moncler ones, I've got Stone Island. I picked up quite a few Nike ones. Super pump material, man, trust me. So listen, big shout to Stuarts for this mystery unboxing. I'm gonna try it all on one by one, see what all this stuff is saying. 2 seconds. Right, so I might as well just talk about this Mackage jacket because literally just wearing it, it feels so luxurious, I'm not gonna lie. Inside is almost something that you would expect from Moncler, but then when you look on the outside, you've got this really kind of nice, smoothish. I do believe it is water resistant. Already I can say there's quite a lot of down inside this jacket. It feels really puffy. Build quality wise, just looking at it, there's lots of really nice detail. I can already see that this whole part, hood and the inside vest, this bit here, there's a zip, so that whole bit can come off and you can wear it without that if you want. And if you look inside the hood, the whole hood is fur. And what I find now is if I've got like Canada Goose and it's got the fur, I just take the fur off because I just feel like I don't need it. Yeah, man, I don't even want to take this off though. It feels so nice. I can honestly say the comfort of this jacket is really nice, and it feels really robust, thick and durable. So yeah, big shout out to the Mackage gang. But I'm already loving the colour of this. And do you know what this reminds me of? It actually reminds me of the Moncler Maya, to be honest. Yeah, I'm liking this, man. I'm liking this. And what I love about the Pyrenex is already I can feel the warmth inside the jacket. It does feel like it's got quite a bit of down in it. The colour is really striking. And yep, I've got my Pyrenex on the arm there. For a lot of guys who are opting away from the more expensive like Moncler and some of the more expensive down jackets that are out there, then brands like Pyrenex could be a good alternative because they are a little bit more reasonably priced. The Moncler Maya has got up to like 800 quid, so if you're looking for an alternative, you're probably better off looking at stuff like Pyrenex, to be honest with you, because I think they're quite nice. And not only that, you don't get too many people wearing them, so it's not an overdone brand. Right, let's move on to the next one. Right, the Nike Sherpa, love it. Look at this. Yes. Oh, it's a half zip. Do you know what? I was just saying the other day that I wasn't really too sure about half zip. But then again, one of my Nike tops is half zip. So now what I love about these Sherpas is that they're just so comfy, man. What I do like about this is that retro type of feel that it's given already. That is really popular right now. So you get a lot of people mixing vintage type of looks or vintage inspired. You can imagine this is more of an old school type look tracksuit. I love the way you got different panels there, so I've got some type of different material. Then I've got the fleece, more different kind of like nylon looking type material here, and obviously got the Nike on there as well. Something like this is great for me because whereas I'm running around, you know, doing lots of different things, going to and from the office or going out shooting or just really kind of like just dashing off everywhere, stuff like this is too perfect because I don't want something which is, you know, like a designer type piece, but I want something that's a bit more run around, a bit more comfortable. And for me, like hoodies and tracksuit tops and tracksuit bottoms are just perfect wear for me. Literally, if you're on your little local missions, then stuff like this I think is really good. Big shout out to Stuarts of London for stocking such a different array of stock as well. So yeah, loving this one. Okay, cool. What else we got? Let's look at some other bits. Woo! Yes, my G. Yes, my dog. Yes. Now, who is this? I actually couldn't see who the brand name was. So, right, who is this? None of the above. Do you know what? When I was at the store, I saw some brands and I saw none of the above. I really like their clothing. It's really good to see more of their stuff. It's 100% wool. I was thinking that it felt a certain type of weight, 100% wool. Okay, so let's try it on. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I'm not huge on stripes. Let me just sort my trim out. Stripes is cool, don't get me wrong. I don't know if it suits me. I mean, looking back at myself in the camera, it does actually look quite good actually. I feel like there is a large demographic of people out there that just are looking for like quality low-key types of brands, and I feel like none of the above is actually one of those type of brands. I mean, 100% wool, that is really good and it's really feeling comfortable. If you're okay with wool, then this is actually really nice. If I rock this with the Mackage, it will just be way too hot, man. So for something like this Stone Island Shadow Projects piece that I just picked up with the roll neck, yeah mate, yeah, nice. None of the above. Right, what other type of crazy bits have they sent me, man? Right, hoodies. Now, this brand, said accept jeans, C17, said accept, superior quality. Right, let's check this out. Right, unfortunately I feel like this one that they've sent me is just a little bit too small. What size is this? The medium, yo. Too small. I need a large. Unless I'm going out somewhere and I want to dress up a little bit. If I'm just going out and I'm doing my daily business, you're going to see me in hoodies, jeans, tracksuits, nice thick type of... I just want to be practical and easy. Right, so we've got the grey version. Right, this is what I like. This is, I prefer this colour. This colour is real nice. I must say I've really been getting into greys quite a lot as of late. I just think greys just work really well with lots of different things. So I'll whip out one of my Stone Island white jackets like this one. Look at that. Look how nice the grey goes in with that. If you got the hood, just kind of fluff it up a little bit around the neck. Boom. See that? Lovely winter outfits. I've got my grey hoodie, got the white Stone Island jacket right there, and I've got a nice pair of jeans. Really feeling this, and the quality and the thickness seem really nice, and also the tip of the tips have been sealed off with some nice metallic bits, and nothing lazy there. Right, what else have we got? What else have we got? Well, we've got one more item on here now, so that was pretty impressive. So they sent me some CP Company. Just want to have a quick look. Oh, nice. Okay, this is a little bit different. Looks like a shirt. Let me check this out. Niceness. Yep, all good, all good, all good. Nice. Look at that, bro. Yeah, nice black top by CP Company. Let's check it out. Right, here we go. Now, this is nice, but I do feel like it's just a little bit too plain for me personally. The CP Company goggles there, which is nice. You do have a little bit of detail. It is like an overshirt. It is really thin. So I'm not sure what collection this is, if it's AW, but it's really thin. I'm gonna definitely need something over this to keep me more warm. I think for me this is probably just too light and not super exciting. This might be more suited to someone that just wants something that's just a little bit more understated. Right, let me just see what this looks like with the Mackage, because I was complaining earlier on that the Mackage was too warm. So I probably couldn't wear anything underneath it that was too heavy. So maybe something like the CP Company with the Mackage might actually work. Together doesn't look too bad, and what I would probably do myself is just drop the zip down just a little bit and then have it like that, and that is now not too bad. To be working pretty well like that. So yeah, man, that is not too bad. Guys, that was it for the video. All this stuff, I hope you found the reviews kind of informative and helpful, and it kind of showcased to you what type of stuff that you can expect from Stuarts of London. Remember, if you want to see more discount codes from brands like Stuarts of London, make sure to jump onto our website, TheHoxtonTrend.com. I'm out of here. Lots more coming, lots more winter goodies and surprises from us. More reviews. Peace out.